Okay, good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes again. In the last class we have seen some of the problems based on the area related to circles. Okay na? Today we are going to do some of the problems which are based on the area related circles. See, before going to the topic, please remember how to tackle the problem. Right? Are you understanding what I am telling? If you understand the problem, it is very easy to tackle. Okay? Right. You see, now the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Okay? Now, for example, it is a clock. Now it is a clock like this, 9 and 3. Here 1, 2. For example, this is a minute hand. And this is a hour hand. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. That means what? It will be like this. Therefore, what is understood? Radius is equals to 14 centimeters. And see, if it is coming like this, that means what? We should find out the angle. First, therefore, you write angle struck in 5 minutes is equals to, yes, how much it is? 360 divided by, yes, see 12 are there, we have to divide 12. Therefore, how much it is? 30 degrees. Okay? So 30, 30, 30, 30 like this. 5 minutes means 1 from here to here is 5 minutes. Now, area of the, yes, area struck by the, area struck by the minute hand. How many minutes? In 5 minutes. We know the formula, pi r square theta by 360. Are you understanding? Pi r square theta by 360. Now very simple. Pi is 3.14 into r square. R is how much? Otherwise you can take directly 22 by 7 into radius is, yes, how much? 14. 14 into 14 into angle is 330 divided by 360. Okay? So now 0, 0 cancel. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 2s. 2 1s, 2 6. Again 2 3 ja, 2 11 ja. Okay? Therefore, how much it is? 154 by 3 centimeter square. Okay na? So, what is the area of this? This is 30 degrees and we have to find out the area of this sector. It is nothing but a sector. Did you understand? Very simple problem, right? For example, if it is in 15 minutes, what will be the angle, you tell me? Very simple. So, 1 number means 30 degrees. Therefore, 3 numbers. 3 into 30. It is nothing but 90. It is nothing but quadrant. Okay na? First quadrant like this. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrant means what? Quarter. Quarter means half of the half. Half means like this. In half, again half means it is nothing but one quadrant. You understand? Yes. Okay. Next problem. So problems are very simple. The only thing is you should understand, right? Yes. One more problem. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Okay. This is the circle like this, and it is nothing but 90 degrees. O, A, and B. The chord of a radius, how many centimeters? 10 centimeters. Okay na? It is 10 centimeters. Subtends right angle at the center. Find the area corresponding of minor segment. Minor segment means we have to find out this. Yes, okay. Now see, a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding. See, minor segment means whatever I shaded this. This is known as what? Minor segment. Minor means what? Small one is. Okay, small one. And the remaining is known as major segment. Okay, na? So we have to find out both. Very simple, right? Shall we start? Yeah. Before going to find out this minor segment, we have to do like this. How? Area of the minor segment, that is OAB, right? Sorry, AB. You can write minor segment equal to area of sector minus area of the triangle OAB. Did you understand? So it is nothing but what? Pi r square theta by 360 minus half half sine square theta. Okay, so this is the formula. Half r square sine theta, half r square sine theta. You can use this formula, there is no common. Okay, now pi is nothing but 3.14 into r is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter into theta is 90 divided by 360 minus again 10 into 10 divided by 2 into sine theta. Theta is nothing but 90. Again you can cut ones and fours. Directly you can cut, and again 2's 1.57. 3 1 ja 2 1 ja 2 2 5 ja 2 7. Okay na? Again, so it is nothing but now again here 1.57 into 100. Otherwise you can cut this also, 2 ones, no problem. We will keep like that only. 1.57 into 100 divided by 2 minus 100 by 2 into sine 90 is 1. Okay na? Therefore it is nothing but 100 or 50. If you take 2 ones, 2 50s, 2 ones, 2 50s. So how much it will be? 5 7 ja 35. Otherwise you can take nothing, very simple. 50 you can take common, then what will be remaining? 1.57 minus 1. Therefore 50 into 1, sorry, 0.57, 0, 5 7 ja 35, 5 5 ja 25, 28. Okay, therefore what is the answer? So answer will be what? Area of the minor segment is equals to 28.5 centimeter square. Did you understand? So very simple. It is a circle. It has given a chord of a circle. This is AB is the chord. It has subtends, means it will allow at the center 90 degrees, right? Now the radius is 10 centimeter. Now at right angle triangle. Now find the area of the corresponding minor chord. Did you understand? So this is the minor segment. Okay. So what is the area of minor segment? 28.5. Is it okay for you? Yes, any doubt please? Very good. Now we have to find out area of the major segment. Shall we find out? Very, very simple. Now, area of major segment is equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay na? Yes. Area of square is nothing but pi r square minus how much it is? 28.5. Pi is 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 28.5. So it is nothing but 314 minus 28.5. You can take out 314, 28.5, where 0.5, 13 means 5, 0 means 8. Therefore, 85.5 centimeter square. Okay? Did you understand? Sorry, it is 314 now. 285. 285.5 centimeter square. This is the area of the major segment. Okay? I hope you understood this. Just take the problem, please. Take the solution. Yes, one more problem. A circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc, area of the sector formed by the arc, and area of the segment formed by the corresponding arc. So very simple. See, always in this chapter you draw the figure, then you understand what we have to find out. Okay, na? For example, this is like this. Yes, this is O and this is B. What is the radius? 21 centimeter. Angle at this is 60 degrees. Okay, na? Now we have to find out first length of the arc. Length of the arc means only this one. Okay, na? Right. First one, length of the arc. Length of the arc, arc is equals to R. Yes, how much? Actually it is like this, 360 2 pi r theta by 360. Now 2 1 ja 2 180. Therefore pi r theta by 180. Therefore 22 by 7 into r is 21 into theta is 60 degrees divided by 180. 0 0 cancel. 6 1 ja 6, 7 1 ja 7 3 3 cancel. Therefore how many centimeters? 2 centimeters. Therefore length of the arc, how much it is? 22 centimeter. Any doubt, beta? Please? Yes? Very good. Very simple problem. Right? This is the formula that we are using this. Okay? Next one. This is the first one. Now second one you see. What is the second one? Area of the sector formed by the arc. Very good. Very simple. Now can directly write area of the sector. What is the formula? Pi r square theta by 360. Pi 22 by 7 into r square 21 into 21 into theta is 360 divided by 360. Okay na? So very simple. 0 0 cancel. 6 ones 6 6, 7 ones 7 3s. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 2 ones 2 11. Therefore it is equals to 11 1 ja 11 1 11 to the 22 plus 1, 231 centimeter square. Okay na? Therefore, area of the sector is equals to 231 centimeter square. Do you understand? Is it not very clear? It is. This is the formula, and just to substitute the values in this formula, you will get like this. Okay na? Any doubt beta? Next. Yes. Third question. Area of the segment. This is the area of the segment. We have to find out area of a minor segment. Very, very simple. Area of the segment subtended by the arc, that is equals to, yes, area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Okay, it is nothing but pi r square theta by 360 minus r square by 2 into sin theta. Again it is equals to 231 minus r square how much? 21 into sin theta sin 60 divided by 2. Again it is equals to 231 minus 21 into 21 sin 60 root 3 into root 3 by 2 into 2. Okay na? It is nothing but 231 minus 441 root 3 divided by 4. So it is nothing but 231 minus 4. It is approximately like 190.95. So it is equals to 40.05 centimeter square. Therefore, this is the area of the minor segment. Okay na? So you should, by this what you understand, you see length of the arc. Length of the arc means first one like this, area of the sector, that is OAB, and next this card subtends this arc now. Therefore we have to find out this segment, that is like this segment, total this area, shaded portion, right? You understand? Yes, very good. Just observe the problem, take down. Yes, one more problem. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degrees at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circles. So very, very simple. First you draw the figure. Actually no need of figure, but no problem. Just draw it like this. Like this. This is O, this is A, and this is A. So that means what? It is nothing but OAB is the sector. First we find out the major segment, minor segment means before going to that we have to find out some of the things. Okay na? We find out first one, area of the sector is equals to pi r square theta by 360. Okay na? So how much it is? Pi has given 3.14 into what is the radius? 15 centimeter, and what is the angle? 60 degrees. 15 into 15 into theta. Theta is 60 divided by 360. Okay na? 0, 0, 6 1 ja, 6 6 ja. Now 3 2 ja, 3 5 ja. 2 1s, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 7 ja. So when you do, it will come around 117.5 centimeter Okay na? 11.75 centimeter square. Okay na? Any doubt for you? Yes? Yes. Next, second one we will find area of the triangle. Area of the triangle r square by 2 sin theta. It is nothing but r square is 15 into 15 by 2 into sin 60. It is nothing but 15 ja 225 by 2 into sin 60 means root 3 by 2. That is 225 into 1.73 divided by 4. So approximately it will come as 97.31 centimeter square. Okay? When you got these two, then you can find out area of the segment. Therefore, area of the segment is equals to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Therefore, how much we got? 117.75 minus 97.31. It will come across 20.44 centimeter square. Therefore, this is the area of the minor segment. Minor segment means like this. This is the minor segment, and the remaining is nothing but major segment. Okay na? This is the minor. The remaining will be major. Very simple. How to get this? Area of the circle minus if you take means remaining area will come back like that. Okay na? You do, no problem. Now see. Now area of the circle we will find. So very simple problems. Only thing is you should do calculations fast. Okay na? Now area of circle. What is the formula? Pi r square. So it is nothing but 3.14 into 15 into 15. That is 3.14 into 225. Okay na? Therefore, how much it will come? Around 706.5 centimeter square. Therefore, area of major segment is equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Are you understanding? Yes? It is nothing but equal to 706.5 minus what is the area of the segment? How much we got? 20.44. Therefore, how much will become? 686.06 centimeter square. Okay na? 686.06 centimeter square. This is the area of the major segment. Okay na? So very simple problem, right? This is the minor segment and remaining will be the major segment. Please take down. Yes. Complete problem. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of square shaped grass field of side 15 centimeter by means of a 5-meter long rope. That's okay. See, it is like this. This is the square shaped area whose shape is 15 meters. Now they tied one glass. How it is? How much it is? 5 meters. We have to find out this area. It is nothing but water. Quadrant. What will be the angle? 90 degrees. Okay, na? Very very simple. Now you see. First one we will find area of the grazed field. Is equals to pi r square theta by 360. Pi is 22 3.14 into r is 5 meters into 5 into theta is 90 divided by 360. 0 cancel. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja, 2 7. So approximately equal to 19.625 meter square. Okay na? So this is the area of that part of the field in which horse can graze. This is the graze. Okay? Now next one. Now second one you see here r is 5 meters to 10 meters. Instead of 5 meters, how many meters? 10 meters. That means what? Like this. Now we have to find out this. Okay na? This 5 meter will become 10 meters. Right? Now same. Area of the field. Area of the field is equals to yes pi r square theta by 360. Pi is 3.14 into r is 10 into 10 into theta is 90 divided by 360. 0 cancel. 9 10 ja, 9 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 5 ja, again 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Therefore 3.14 into 25. So approximately it is equal to 78.5 meter square. So when the rope has been increased by 5 meters to 10 meters, this is the area. Did you understand? Yes? Okay. Now we will find out how much area increased when the length of the rope 5 meters to 10 meters increased. How much area increased? We see. Therefore, area increased is equals to area of second one minus area of first. That is 78.5 minus 19.625 is equals to 58.875 meter square. Okay na? So this is the increase in the area when 5 meters to 10 meters they increased. Did you understand? See, if you do like this, there will be no problem at all. Okay na? Just take down the problem. Yes, see one more problem. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a wire with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown. Find the total length of the silver wire required and the area of each sector of the broach. Very simple. Okay na? See, here it is a circle. These are the brooches. So here how many diameters are there? 5 diameters. First we will find out the total length of the diameter we will find. Okay na? Yes. The length of the diameter or the diameter of a circle is equals to how much? 35 millimeters. Total how many diameters with us? Yes, 5 diameters. Therefore, total length of the wire. Total length is equals to how much? 35 into 5 is nothing but 175 meters for this use. But just we found only for diameter. Then what about the circumference also we should count, no? Yes. Therefore, circumference of a circle is equals to 2 pi r 2 into 22 by 7 into r. So what is r? It is nothing but yes 25 by 2. Okay now. So around will come. Otherwise 7 1 ja 7 5 ja 2 1 ja 2 11 ja. 2 into 5 is like this. Yes. 7 1 ja 7 5 ja 22 into 5 is nothing but 110 meters. Okay na? So diameter how much we got? 175 millimeters. And what about the circumference? It is nothing but 110. Therefore, total length of the wire used is equals to 175 plus 110. It is nothing but equal to 285 millimeters. Okay na? Right? So this is the total length. So here very simple. One diameter is nothing but 35 millimeters. Like that, how many diameters are there with us? 5. Therefore, we found out 35 into 5, that is 175 millimeters. It is only diameters. Then still circumference is there. Left circumference equal to 2 pi r. It is nothing but 110 meters. Therefore, total length used. Which what used? Wire used. So it is nothing but 175 plus 110 equal to 285 millimeters. Did you understand? Yes, any doubt? Yes. Okay. Next we will find out the next one. Second one we will find out. Very simple now. Yes. Did you understand or not? Yes. If you did not understand, please ask me. Right? Or the phone or anything. Second one, see, you see each sector you see first we want angle. Sector means first you take like this is one sector. Afterwards we will multiply, right? So it is nothing but one sector. He is asking one sector. So here total angle at this sector is 360. Total how many parts divided? 10 parts. Therefore, what is the angle of each sector? Yes, it is nothing but 36 degrees. Therefore, write down area of the sector is equals to pi r square theta by 360. It is nothing but 22 by 7 into r is 35 by 2 into 35 by 2 into theta is 36 divided by 360. Ones and tens. 7 1 ja 7 5 ja. 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. Okay na? So how much you will get? So you will get as around, still you can 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, right? So it is nothing but 11 5 ja 55, 11 3 ja 33, 385 divided by 4 millimeter square. Okay na? This is the area of each sector. If you want, how many sectors are there here? 1 2 3 10 sectors are there. If you want total area also, you can, but you will not ask total area, because instead of total area, directly we can find out area of the circle. Instead of one sector into 10, we can find out area of the circle only. Okay na? So this is the answer. You just take it, please. Yes, one more problem. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two ribs of the umbrella. It is nothing but like this. So it is nothing but we have to find out two ribs. This is one rib and this is second rib. Means it is nothing but what should we find out? We should find out area of the sector only. Before going to area of the sector, we will find out first angle. Angle between the two ribs is equals to total angle will be, because it is a circle, therefore circle. How many parts it divided? 8 parts. Therefore 8 1 ja, 8 4 ja 32, 8 5. Therefore what is the angle? 45 degrees. Since it is a like sector, therefore we should find out the area of the sector. You can find out area between, area between the two ribs. Otherwise you can write down directly area of the sector, right? It is nothing but pi r square theta by 360. Therefore 22 by 7 into r is how much? R is how much? Which are equal spaced, allowing umbrella to be flat circle radius 45. 45 into 45 into theta is also 45 divided by 360. Okay na? Now very simple. Yes. 5 9 ja, 5 7 ja 35, 5 2 ja. Okay na? 9 1 ja, 9 8 ja. 2 4 ja, 2 11 ja. That means what happened? 11 into 45 into 45 divided by 7 4 ja 28. Otherwise you can find out 45 into 45 very easily. How to find out 45 into 45? Yes? Very simple. 5 into 5, 25 you write like this. After 4 what will come? 5. 4 5 ja 20. That's all. Therefore 11 into 20 25 divided by 28. 11 5 ja 55. 11 2 ja 22. 27. Okay na? Again 11 2 ja 20 divided by 28 centimeter square. Therefore this is the area of the given problem. Okay? It is not necessary. Okay na? So very simple. Area between the two ribs is, angle between the two ribs 360 divided by 8, because it has been divided into 8 equal parts. Each angle will be 45 and area between the two ribs is nothing but area of the sector. So pi r square by 360 we used. So like this we can find it. Okay? Please write down. Yes. See one more problem. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. Okay? Did you see car? Yes. So wiper is there with what happened? For example, this is the glass we see. Wiper means like this. One will be like this and second one will be like this. Okay na? This is the first one and this is, and they will not meet only. They will not overlap means what? Like this. Okay? It is, they are like this. Okay? We will see that. Now, he has given everything, we have to find out only area. That means what? Area of the sector or area of one wiper is equals to pi r square theta by 360 because it will be like a sector only. Now pi is 22 by 7 into r is 25 into 25, theta is 115 divided by 360. Okay? So very simple. Now 180 11. Next 3 5 5 ja 5 3 ja 15 5 6 ja. Okay na? So this is equals to how much? 11 into 125 into 115 divided by 36. This is one area. Therefore, area of two wipers is equals to 2 into area of one wiper. That is equals to 2 into 11 into 125 into 115 divided by 7 is there no? Yes, 7 into 36, 2 1 ja, 2 8 in ja. So it will be approximately 158, 125 divided by 18 7 ja, 126 centimeter square. Okay? So very simple. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep. Okay? So very simple. It is like a sector only. Find the area of one sector multiplied by 2. Then we will get the area of two. Yes? Did you understand? Please note down this.